and we got our explosion as we predicted from the last video we did at the 24th of May. Let's see, guys. I told you guys we're gonna explode again, and I told you the price will explode around the $1.44, and here we're gonna see the rejection, and exactly that is what happened precisely by the cent, guys, and we got a rejection here. Now we consolidate in here. So a lot of you guys tell me I'm doing clickbait and things like this. I'm trying to say LKCO will explode and never explode. And here your answer. You have to be patient in the stock market. If you're hasty and you force the trade, and when like you want to force the price to go up, will never go up until we have the right buyer and the right time to have our explosion. And always show you guys from the last week I told you we're gonna see explosion soon, because we saw accumulating for a price and volume picking up and holding above the support. So without further ado, always with trading G's, I told you guys to be patient and hunt for right price value, and plus the like button, and let's get right to it. Here, guys, we can see the price crazy. We exploded as we predicted from the last video, even from the last week, not even at Monday. We did the other video actually, and I told you guys after this explosion happened, I told you again, this is not the explosion yet. And I told you again, we need to hold above this level if we want to explode by the next week or this week above the $1.18. And guess what? We never went below the $1.20. And this is, I told you, the moment if we don't go below the $1.18, 95% we see the explosion above this level, our resistance level around the $1.30, and that's what happened, because here it show us a sign of strength, because we didn't go any lower from our support that I show you around the $1.18, and this is give us the incentive that the price will jump. And as I show you guys, I told you this is not the explosion yet, there's another explosion, and this is what we saw, and we hit with the massive rejection around the technical area that I said in the last video at around the $1.44. And again, congrats about the people who took this trade. It was perfect trade. You take your profit here in order to buy lower. So again, what's gonna happen? This is the $1 million question actually, and you ask yourself, okay, trading Jesus, we did this jump and we have our rejection. What now? This is great, really great question, because now what we want to predict and look for another sign for strength is we don't want to go below $1.30 and hold above this level by this week, guys. We want to hold this level. We don't want to see the other scenario, a big sell-off like this or going back. We don't want to go back below this level to show a bit of a strength to test this time the $1.63. If we hold above the $1.28 is good, or our above our exponential average. This is the least price that I could hold for LKCO at $1.26. This is the least I want to hold, because if we hold even above the $1.26, there is a big chance that we're gonna test the $1.44 again, and the next one the $1.63. This is really important stuff, guys, to have to watch out for this level, because if we go back below the $1.26, this will be a sign of weakness and wash all the gain that we did, like what happened here before. We have a big gain, but we lost it all whenever we actually go back from the point of the jump. So we don't want to see that. By this week, hold up at the perfect scenario, hold up above the $1.30. The second good strength, but is not like the first one, is hold above the $1.26. So you could actually put your stop loss around the $1.26 if you want to take advantage of lower prices around the strong support around $1.11. But now from this jump that we did is really good. The rejection happened at $1.44. Yeah, this is expected, and this is kind of way that the market do always: a rejection, then hold up, and then try to go again to test this level at $1.44. And this time we don't want to see a wick. Instead, we want to see a closing candle around the $1.45 here. Then we continue to go up again to test the really strong level around the $1.63 that we got rejected so many times around this level. This is important to do this week. Even if we consolidate around the $1.30 is good. And again, never push the trade, never or be in a hurry to see LKCO at $2 or more. Just see what's the price or that the technical show us. If the key level of LKCO move, we have to be flexible and move our stop loss and take profit on the way. So don't actually, if you want to swing trade, never say, okay, I went to $2. But the price never actually respect your price, but respect the market price. So $2 will never might see it. So we might see $1.95. So be flexible and see where the key level. And that's why we doing here to show you guys the key level for LKCO at the moment and the time being. So be always hit the notifications and never miss the future update, because daily updates here at my channel for LKCO. I'm trying to keep you guys updated to hunt with me for exact right price value for LKCO. So this is the things that I can predict. And if you have a question, guys, comment below and I can answer you. I'll be more happy to answer you. And again, never push a trade and never wait for something, and if you don't see it, like you disbelieve it, like what I said in the last video, that the price will jump, but some of you guys said it like I'm clickbait or I'm just saying nonsense. But as you can look from today, from this jump, that show you a good lesson. Never push the trade, or never be hasty or wanted to see some sign but you don't see it, then you just call it like it's like not a good trade, or there is no jump. Always see the moving sign. That's I show you guys before the jump. So if the jump happened, what's the use of it? You can't do anything about it. Like so many YouTubers do. Like when explode, they will tell you explode. But here I'm trying to show you before explode, and I give you some sign that you can see by yourself and be ready to hunt. And that's the core of my channel. Try to hunt for exact price value and sell at the prices where a lot of rejection on sell pressure happened. So that's what happened here. So be ready, guys, and always hunt with me. Trading Jesus always tell you to be patient and hunt for exact price value, and see you in the next video.